Ethermine versus Binance, which is better for crypto mining and trading? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Ethermine and Binance to help you understand the difference between a mining pool and a crypto exchange, and which one might be better for your needs. What is Ethermine? Ethermine is one of the largest Ethereum mining pools. Instead of mining alone, you join other miners and share rewards based on your contribution. Pros: reliable payouts, low pool fees around 1%, good for miners with GPUs who want steady income. Cons: you need mining hardware, which can be expensive. Mining rewards have dropped after Ethereum's move to proof of stake. Not suitable if you just want to buy crypto. What is Binance? Binance is a global crypto exchange where you can buy, sell, trade, and stake crypto. You don't need hardware, just an account and funds. Pros: beginner friendly and available in many countries. Offers trading, staking, and even its own mining pool. Huge variety of coins. Cons: has faced regulatory restrictions in some regions. Trading fees apply, though lower than many competitors. Ethermine versus Binance, key differences. Purpose: Ethermine is for mining, Binance is for buying trading. Ease of use: Binance is easier since no hardware is needed. Ethermine requires GPUs and setup. Profitability: mining is less profitable now with Ethereum's proof of stake. Buying and trading on Binance is more practical for beginners. Final verdict: if you're a miner with hardware, Ethermine was a great option, but since Ethereum mining is no longer active, it's much less useful today. For most beginners and investors, Binance is the better choice for entering the crypto market, trading, and staking coins. That's it for today's comparison. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto guides. Ethermine, Binance, crypto mining, crypto trading, how to mastery.